Welcome to AI Global Tech. Have you ever thought about starting an e-commerce business? Well, the first step is choosing the right product. The key to success lies in conducting thorough market research and analyzing trends to identify what's in high demand. To make this process easier, there are tools at your disposal, such as Google Trends and Amazon bestsellers. These tools can offer invaluable insights into what consumers are actively seeking. Once you've identified a promising product, it's time to create your online store. Now that you've chosen your product, the next step is to build your online store. A platform like Shopify or WooCommerce can help you create a sleek, user-friendly website. These platforms offer a variety of templates and customization options to ensure your store is not only functional, but also visually appealing. Remember, your website is the digital face of your business, so make it count. A well-designed, easy-to-navigate online store can keep customers coming back for more. With your online store set up, it's time to get social. In today's digital age, having a social media presence is crucial for any business, and e-commerce is no exception. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are game changers, helping you reach a wider audience. But remember, it's not just about being present, it's about consistency. Your social media accounts should reflect your brand identity, creating a cohesive image that resonates with your customers. This harmony strengthens your brand's voice and boosts your credibility. Social media will help drive traffic to your store, but to maximize your reach, you'll need to optimize your site for search engines. Driving traffic to your online store is crucial, and optimizing for search engines can help. Search engine optimization, or SEO, increases your store's visibility on platforms like Google. Imagine it as the digital equivalent of a billboard on a busy highway, catching the eyes of potential customers. By using relevant keywords, crafting compelling meta descriptions, and adding alt tags to your images, you're creating signposts that lead customers straight to your digital doorstep. But the journey doesn't end when they click Buy Now. Excellent customer service is the glue that holds the customer experience together. It's about being there, ready to answer questions and to solve problems promptly. It's about showing customers that they matter, turning one-time shoppers into loyal fans. Remember, choosing the right product, building a user-friendly website, creating a social media presence, optimizing for search engines, and providing excellent customer service are key factors for success in e-commerce. Take the first step today and start your e-commerce journey. Starting an e-commerce business may seem daunting, but breaking it down into these manageable steps makes it much more achievable. We've journeyed through choosing a product, building a user-friendly website, establishing a social media presence, optimizing for search engines, and delivering stellar customer service. It's time to take the leap, armed with these insights, and create your own e-commerce success story. Thank you for watching today's video on how to start an e-commerce business in 2024. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Global Tech for more informative content. Until next time. Thank you for watching.